Morning, girls. So welcome back again. That today class day 6 course beyond the curriculum we are discussing now. So our course title is Advanced Linear Algebra from Eigentheory to the Modern Statistical Learning, right? And now we are there in a module 4, Foundations and Advanced Eigentheory. Okay. So I think we completed that module 1, 2, 3. Module 1, linear algebra and statistics and vectors introduction had taken. And then introduction to statistics, data analysis, correlation also we completed. Simple linear regression also we completed. Right now we are there in foundations and advanced eigentheory. Moving on to that same. First, we will see that the few slides review of the matrices and linear transformations. And after that, characteristic equation and then eigenvalues, eigenvectors, definitions. Finally, we'll move to that the next class and algebraic geometric multiplicity, diagonalization of matrices. So with that, module 4 is going to complete. Hope everyone studied that these second unit in SEM 1, the first mathematics subject in engineering, right? Now, just we look onto that review of the matrices and linear transformations. So the matrix is a rectangular arrangement of numbers, symbols, or expressions organized in a row and columns, right? So this is the row matrix and this is the column matrix, right? And we can see that applications we discussed, but anyway, we are going to see that once again and recapping that bring all the things, right? Computer graphics, AI, ML, image processing, and data science. And types of the matrix, I didn't put that all, and a few of the things I kept that. This is the identity matrix, diagonalization matrix, and then next matrix operations. If we consider the 2 by 2 matrix, just for getting into that, the recalling of all the things, A plus B will get it like this, multiplication AB will get like this, and the transport also will get like this. So hope all the these operations you are using that calculator and you are getting all the things right. So that data operation also we found that using the calc, but this is as a simple no 2 by 2 no. So AD minus BC you'll get it like this 2 into 4 and 3 into 1 you get that subtraction of these two 5. Inverse matrix, you know that this is 2 by 2 matrix, especially that's the reason. 1 by AD minus BC, D, and then next minus B, and then minus C, and then next this you'll get that A. Okay, so for 3 by 3, 4 by 4, you know very well by using that calculator, right? Next, moving on to that linear algebra with real-time examples. You know very well characteristic equation, eigenvalues, and eigenvectors definitions. You can see that, right? Now, linear transformations. So this is very, very important. Already explained, I think, for CSEF students, I explained, not for you, A, B, C sections, not you. I think different teachers, I think, hope they explained this. So a transformation T such that V to W is called linear transformations. So the operations performed with that, there are two operations we are performing. One is addition and then scalar multiplication. T into U plus V is equals to T of U plus T of V. This is the addition one. And T into CU is equals to C into TU. So this is scalar multiplication term. For all vectors, U, V, VU, and V, and scalars, and etc. Okay. So this is applicable. And then common linear transformations, I'll show you after that. I think, hope I showed that the scaling road, how the matrix is going to scalable like that one. Now, I'm going to give that the brief about now, because we are not intention to talk about only the linear transformations, but anyway. And T into X of Y is equals to 2X into 2Y is a matrix representation. How you are going to represent, no? So this 2 and then 2 like this, and remaining all you are keeping like this time. And then real-time applications, I'll show you afterwards, okay? I'll show that graphical. Real-time applications, zooming images, enlarging maps, these are all the scaling applications now, okay? Scalable. Next, Nana. Now we can see that motivating examples like web startups like this. Um, and eigenvector eigenvalues, you know that, yeah, I think we have taken ax is equals to lambda x, but here vector, no, we have taken av is equals to lambda v. So like this, we are making into that, so that vector thing, right? And there are many ways to check that your thing, right? And at vector space and the basis also will be like this, and linear operators and the presentations also we are going to take that. So this that vector we have taken, no, v1 and v2, v2 bar, and a this is 1 1 a 1 2 a 2 1 and a 2, you know very well, right? So this is the a matrix, and then next x. So what we need to find out, this is generally we are taking x y, here we have taken especially v, no, so that's the reason v1 and v2, and then we are extending like this. Okay, from V to AV. So this this part we are calculating how much it is going to extending, right? Now example of modeling and freemium cloud data storage will be like this. Say I have taken that few of the things, but I am going to show you. So this is free and this is premium. Will be, this is XF, free. F means free, and pre means premium run. So event is recruit, and casual subpopulation we have taken that premium users, and fractional therefore is row, and then we are taking this is 1 and 0 like this. Okay, just for getting into the connectivity, I'm going to give you like a few of the things. Upgrade. You nowadays we are seeing that, no, all if anything you open in the web, you are going to get that upgrade it, downgrade it, attrition, right? So like that we are going. So all these data also are using like this stuff. Okay. So this data you will get it. So this is one example, right? Next, linear algebra, the same. And moving on to the next. What is a vector? Now you can see that, you know, vector which has that direction and magnitude that everyone knows about it. Now we are going to see that. A vector is an arrow. The position of the head in a relation to the tail is expressed in terms of a magnitude with the direction, right? So now we are going to make that this two here and this two here. Okay. So what you are doing that here, from here to there you are moving, and if you want to go with that here and there with the some directions, right? So magnitude is there and direction is there, right? But we are using the arrow, right? So that vector is an arrow, the position, and that means you need to get the clarity. So that's the reason I have given that the explanation I kept like this in this slide. Okay, don't take into that negative way. So vector is an arrow, the position of the head is in a relation to the tail expressed in terms of the magnitude and direction. Okay. Next, a set of vectors, it may be moving like this and down, coming down. So different vectors are and different directions I kept here. Okay. Next, a set of vectors versus vector space. Now we talked about that here scaling, no, previously. Scalable. I think, yeah, scaling, no, that we can see now. Okay. Yeah. The scaling, doubling length in this example of y produced that 2y bar is equals to z, which belongs to that our original set of vectors. Doubling of that. Okay. So this is called that, right? And then z, and then next. Now you can see that. Now I'll explain it here. Head to tail, addition of v and w. Head to tail, addition of v and w, and produce that resultant vector. So this vector, resultant vector, not belong, 1 minute. Wow, this is PDF, no, I can't jump. Okay, it's okay. Not belonging to that w bar and the original set of the vectors. So whatever you are getting that the vector, which is not that the original thing. And next, vector space. This vector space is set of vectors is closed under scaling and vector addition here only. Here only. Okay. Addition, neither scaling nor vector addition produces a result not already included in the space, which is not going to included in the space. So that is copy. Next, basis. Vector base is a set of vectors that are a closed under scaling. That also, this also a closed under the closed to under scaling only. Okay, closed under scaling and vector addition. And then next, suppose you have taken that these are all the vectors, linear combinations of these vectors with that addition of vectors with the scaling. That's what now he is telling about vector space, and here the basis also. How the basis will come like this by using these are the vectors, and we are making into that head to tail, and you are going to get that like this, right? And these right? So we can call it as a C1 into B1 bar plus C2 into B2 bar dash dash dash, right? This is called linear combination. Use a set of vectors to prescribe a vector space. So basis of V here, just I explained basis of V. This is two-dimensional vector, nana, using the same, and then this is and the three-dimensional thing. Without changing space, nana, that you need to understood. I kept here. Can't remove any vector without changing space. Okay, that is base. Next, coordinate system, nana, same I think. It will come as doubling of that, right? Get like this. So V is equals to V1 into B1 plus V2 into P2 bar. Okay. 2D RAM. All these I have taken 2D only, not 3D RAM. V and V bar using V1 and V. Okay. Next, move same motivating that the linear algebra by using warm startups. Same Ax equals to lambda x or AV or equals to lambda V bar. Same two-dimensional only have taken. This is the vector space and bias basis. And then given operator, nana, chudandi ikkada AV and V, given a vector and operator outputs, it gives that vector possibly scaled or rotated. Just now we didn't discuss about the rotation. We are discussing only the scalable, right? A function which associates objects from domain with objects in codomain, sometimes in terms of the elementary arithmetic operations from x to y. So that we can see that function. Now we can see that scaling only. Here addition, linear operator, scaling. A alpha B bar into alpha, you are need to get that, and then AV you'll get it. So this will get like this. Addition using doubling of all these UV and addition of this AV, you'll get that new thing here. So AW, get that new, and using all those things, we are going to write A into alpha B bar plus beta into W bar equals to alpha, you need to get that, and AV bar plus beta into AW bar operators. Presenting linear operators. So now I'm not able to telling about that all the things. I think hope you understood that. We derived that in the first sem, right? For getting into the clarity, I kept like this now. Okay. Please go through that. Constants, we need to get that outside. Remaining, you have to put that. Okay. Same one, representing linear operators. Finally, we are getting like this. So this is what V1 dash bar, V2 dash equals to A11, A12, matrices A21 and A22. This V1 and V2. Okay, so this we are going to find, right? Same thing. Representing. So I kept again, sorry. Okay. So I don't want to put that all the things because I need to show only for to that only. So this So anyway, you can see that. So again, we got that the addition is a consistent and a matrix representation. That's what. So this only we are representing, right? Mm. So here onwards I need to. So whatever the derived all the things, right? Here I explain. Here I kept that after deriving all the things, and these are all the eigenvalue stuff from all those things, right? Whatever here onwards stuff. Generally, you know that how to find that eigenvalues, eigenvectors, no? The same thing, Nana. Okay. Finally, we are there here. Sorry, where I kept it. Here. These are all the eigenvalues of that 2 by 2 matrix stuff. So you'll get like this stuff. Okay. So that's the thing, now. Today we have seen that only the linear transformation, and just I explained that what's the scaling property, all those things, right? So hope everyone understood about that today's class, and especially you need to concentrate here the linear the first slide, not here when it yeah. So the linear transformations, these two. So one is addition and scalar multiplication. And then I focused only on the scalar scaling because we have many applications like zooming images and launching the maps and all. I think this thing you are going to get that in a 3.1 or 2.2. I don't know that the design patterns, the patterns. Okay. So there we'll get that all those. Okay.